How to improve audio speech quality in Audacity. To begin, I imported an audio that has noise and is not in good quality.
In this video, we learn how to send a
First, double-click on the audio clip to select it, and press CTRL D to duplicate it and mute the duplicate track. Select at least 1 second of the noise parts, then from Effect menu, Noise Removal and Repair, select Noise Reduction. Here just click on Get Noise Profile button. Now double-click on the audio to select it, then from Effect menu, Noise Removal and Repair, select Noise Reduction. Leave everything at default value, which is 6, and click OK. Play the audio, and if you still have noise, press CTRL+R to repeat the last effect applied. Now from Effect menu, Volume and Compression, select Compressor. Set threshold to -14, ratio to 2:1, and uncheck Makeup Gain for 0 dB option and click Apply. From Effect menu, EQ and Filters, select Filter Curve EQ. Set preset to low roll-off for speech and click Apply. Once again add a Filter Curve EQ. This time set preset to treble boost. Drag this dot to 3 dB horizontal line instead of 9 dB. Now in the 16,000 Hz vertical line, click to add a dot. And drag from the right side of the dot to a value below -24 dB horizontal line. Then click Apply. At last, from Effect menu, Volume and Compression, select Normalize. Normalize audio to -3 dB and click Apply. And now we have a much better audio.
In this video, we learn how to send a message through intent to messaging.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.